Outbase reviews, features, pricing, and alternative. AnyBiz. Explore Outbase, a promising tool in email outreach and marketing automation. This video provides an unbiased look at its features, pricing, user reviews, and comparison with competitors like AnyBiz.io. Gain insights to decide if Outbase suits your marketing strategy effectively. Outbase transforms B2B sales engagement with its user-friendly interface and powerful automation tools, catering to startups, marketing teams, sales managers, and consultants. It enables automated and personalized outreach, empowering users to scale their efforts while maintaining crucial personalization and interactions. Core features: lead generation and management, automated email campaigns, real-time analytics and reporting, customizable messaging sequences, sales automation, team collaboration. Outbase offers flexible pricing plans, starting with a free trial and scaling up to accommodate diverse business needs with monthly subscriptions ranging from €275 to €2,200. Outbase impresses with its intuitive interface and responsive support, enhancing campaign management and lead generation. However, users cite challenges in comparison to competitors regarding response rates and cost-effectiveness, particularly for smaller businesses. Them lacks reviews on major platforms like G2 and Capterra, but holds a 4.4-star rating on Trustpilot from 13 reviews. Feedback varies, highlighting its strengths in functionality and support, alongside concerns about effectiveness and value compared to competitors. AnyBiz.io's advanced AI capabilities and comprehensive automation streamline the entire sales process from lead generation to closing. Its ability to operate continuously, coupled with personalized multi-channel engagement and automated responses, ensures higher engagement rates and potentially better conversions compared to Outbase. For businesses seeking a robust AI-driven solution to enhance B2B outreach, AnyBiz.io stands out as the superior alternative. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe before you go. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and updates.